What's good, YouTube? Alex here, and today I have the Diamond Supply Co. Mystery Box unboxing. Today I actually have two boxes, which they have packaged into this one giant box right here. This box is 22 pounds. I don't know if you heard the thud it just made when I sat it down, but this is a heavy box. They dropped the mystery box on September 22nd, and today is like November 6th, November 7th, and I just got it. So yeah, they did say that it would take 3 to 4 weeks to ship, but I guess something went wrong and they had to add an extra week. They sent an email about that, but nonetheless, the box is finally here and I can open it for you guys. They did drop two boxes this time. They did the regular t-shirt box, which should have 8 t-shirts plus bonus items, and as well as a sneaker box. Both boxes were $100. The total for this came out to $210 after shipping, and the sneaker box comes with, there we go, 3 pairs of shoes. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. If you do the math, it's like $34 a pair. So pretty cool. And the box is now open. And what in the world? Alright. So we got a lot of this wrapping. Good grief. Okay. And now there's more little boxes on the inside. I'm guessing this is like the t-shirt box. And then this is probably the most unorganized unboxing I've ever done, because I did not know how to prepare for this. Okay, cool. So we got the t-shirt box, and then I guess this other box would be the shoe box. So let's go ahead and try and get it out. There we go. Cool. I told y'all this is huge. This is the biggest mystery box I've ever got. That was loud. Like, that was super loud. I was not prepared for that. Alright. Whew! Alright, we're good. Now, let's get these boxes open. So, I figure I'm going to go start with the t-shirt box and see what we get there. And then after that, we'll crack open the shoes and see what is in there. Yeah. Alright. Starting off, first thing I see is a pair of socks. Oh, sweet. This is the Diamond and Astro Boy collaboration socks. Okay, cool. That is really sick. You've got your Diamond regular, they're like tie-dye socks with the Diamond and Astro Boy right there on it. So that's sweet. And, alright. Starting off, we have the Hardware Heavyweight Knockouts long sleeve tee in navy. And if you're new to the channel, I don't open my gear until I'm ready to wear it. I'm more of like a collector rather than a wearer, because Diamond is my favorite brand. So I should have a picture somewhere on the screen of what the shirts all look like when they are unpackaged, and I will try my best to find each shirt and post that picture on the screen for you guys so you know what they really look like. But first, we have the Knockout long sleeve in navy, so that's really cool. I have this in white as well, so now I've got the navy, so that's cool. Next, what we got here? We have the Typhoon Tee in navy as well. Okay, this looks pretty cool. It's like navy with a light blue design on the left chest. I don't know if there's anything on the back, but we shall find out if I can find a picture of it. So that's cool. Next, we got some white. The HOP Diamond Tee. I guess this is House of Pain. Fine Diamond Lyrics. I don't know for sure, but this might have been a collab. I'm not 100% sure of when this came out, but I don't have it, so that's cool. It's a new shirt for me that I didn't have before. That's always tight. And next we have the Offerings Tee in black. Looks like you got an angel with holding a diamond right there. It says diamond in orange. Black and orange, as you can tell, is a really nice colorway. So, yeah. And next, okay, sweet. I did get an Astro Boy collaboration t-shirt. Got the Astro Boy Gemstone short sleeve tee in diamond blue, which is my favorite color. So you got Astro Boy right there holding the diamond. And I'm not familiar with what the girl's name is, so I'm going to call her Astro Girl. If I'm wrong, let me know. I'm probably wrong. But yeah, let me know if you know what that is. But yeah, this is really cool. Always love getting diamond blue shirts because it is my favorite color. Next, we have the I Am tee in navy. And, okay, cool. I think it just says, like, I am. It says diamond, but it's spelled I am and then has the words around it. That's what it looks like to me right now. So we shall see in the picture. But navy shirt with red print. Super clean. We'll definitely be wearing that one. Next, we have the 2017 World Series tee. Okay, sweet. I am a big baseball fan, so I did not have this before. This is a Houston Astros versus Dodgers World Series tee in white. So that is really cool. I like this a lot. And it looks like we got one more t-shirt. And set this box over here. It is the Offspring tee in red. So it's kind of like the other tee, but this one has like a Grim Reaper right here, and it's looking over the people holding, I guess the angels holding the diamond. So that is really cool. I like that. And now, to the shoes. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. I hope I get some cool pairs of shoes, man. Shoes are always nice. And after when I'm uploading this, Complex Con has already happened. And if you know about Diamond, you saw the aftermath of what happened with the shoe release there. So that was unfortunate. And I wish people that were really there to get a pair could have got it. But unfortunately, the release got shut down on both days because of riots. Because people don't know how to act. So yeah. Let's see what we got here. We got 3 pairs of shoes as anticipated. And let's start with this first white box. Right here we have the diamond, the Boo Johnson shoe in navy. We got the white diamond box right there. Size 14, my size. Let's see what these are talking about. Okay, sweet. These are just a navy slip-on shoe. It says just have fun, Boo Johnson right there. Boo Johnson is a pretty rad skater. I've liked his stuff for a while, so these are cool. I did not have a pair of these before, so I have a pair now. So that is the first pair of shoes. Next, I don't know. Kind of want to save this black box for the last. So we're going to go with this other white box. You got your regular white diamond box. These are Tory Pudwell shoe. And let's see what colorway we got here. Sweet. Okay. Just a regular black shoe with white midsole. Bro, that is one of my favorite things in the world. Just an all black shoe with a white midsole. That is so clean. And it being Tory Pudwell's signature shoe, I like it a lot because Tory is one of my favorites. You got the diamond Tory Pudwell patch right there on the tongue. And it looks like they do come with diamond blue laces. I might toss those in just to see how that works sometime, but I'll probably just stick with the black laces because I do like that simplistic look it gives off when you're wearing it. And now we have the final pair. It is the Nick Terche Diamond Supply Co. 1. This is Nick Terche's pro model shoe. Let's see what these are looking like. I like the box. It's a nice heavy-duty box. Woo-wee! Okay. Another all-black shoe with a white midsole. Oh, yeah. These are clean. Yo, these are mad clean. Okay. I am very satisfied with both of these boxes. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm definitely going to be rocking these at some point. Nice black suede all the way around. Bro, these are clean. Y'all did your thing with these boxes, man, for real. But yeah, that is all of the items. I don't know how many tees. I assume it was 8. 3 pairs of shoes. $210. And I will have the total on the screen of what it would have cost if I purchased everything individually. So yeah, I say for $210, this is a good deal. But yeah, that's it, man. I've got everything unboxed. Let me know what you thought of the unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe. If you're not already following me on social media, all of that information will be down in the description. So yeah, let me know if you got a box. If you did a video, let me know. I'll go check it out. And yeah, just let me know what you thought of mine. And as always, Diamond comes through in the clutch and with their mystery boxes. So hopefully I can get a pair of the... I want all 3 of the new Diamond SBs, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I at least want the white and black pairs. So yeah, hopefully I get those. And if I do, stay tuned, because I will most certainly have a review on those. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to get out of here. Hope you guys have a nice one. Take it easy, and I'll catch you next time, YouTube. Thanks. Peace.